Good evening, this is Mr. Wintermelon. So this video is a tutorial of how you can make a model of a lung. You should have seen this lung before, and this will help you to visualize what is happening to the lung when you inhale and exhale. The material that you need is quite simple. First, get yourself a bottle that is cut into half. I got this from a 1.5 liter soft drink bottle. What you want to do is to step it, then cut around the edge. It is okay if the cutting is not done well. It is totally fine. So you might want to get an adult to help you to do this, but nevertheless, this is a simple item to obtain. Then, 2 balloons. It will be better if they are bigger, but smaller balloon will also work fine. 2 straws. A piece of plasticine, enough for you to cover the cap. Three rubber band, as well as a plastic bag. Now, the plastic bag I have down here is a bit small. What you want to do is to find a plastic bag that you can wrap around the bottle, like this. But I would say this is a bit small. I have a tough time getting it through, but it will do just fine. So the first step that you want to do is to insert the straw inside the balloon. Okay, I put this aside, like this. Then, take your rubber band and tie it. Okay, what you want to do is to make sure that it's just attached onto it and it doesn't drop. If you want, you can bend the straw a bit. It will help to prevent it from dropping. Okay, this one I am going to tie it a bit tighter. But when you are doing it, try not to tie it too tight, because if it's too tight, the lung wouldn't work. Okay, maybe I tie this a bit tighter as well. Okay, so air can go in. Now, if you are a teacher and you are trying to teach your class, you can ask them to purposely tie one that is very tight. Because when it's tight, very tight, air cannot flow in, and it can demonstrate bronchitis where our airway is stuck. So it is actually a good thing if some of your students actually tie this a bit too tight, because they can see the effect when the airway is blocked. Okay, next, what we are going to do is to insert the straw through the top of the bottle. And you get something like this. Then take the plasticine and wrap around them. Okay, so what we want down here is make sure that it's airtight. Then insert the plastic bag over. Take the rubber band, tie it around. Then your model of lung should be done. So if you press in, you should see that the lung has shrunk. If you pull out, the lung should expand. So exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Now the lung that I make down here is actually quite well done, because you can see that the lung is inhaling and exhaling properly. Which is why I said that when you are trying to tighten the rubber band, if you want to demonstrate bronchitis, you make sure that you tie one of the rubber band to be very tight, and you should be able to see the one of the lung being unable to expand because the airway have been blocked. So that will be a good demonstration of bronchitis when the airway is being blocked by mucus. So go and get yourself the material and make yourself a model of a lung, and this should help you to visualize what happened when the diaphragm is pulled up or pushed up and when the diaphragm is pulled out.